Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Amit. If you don't already know, I got not one but two hair transplants done from Istanbul, Turkey. Now, if you've been following the channel very closely, you've probably seen my full month-to-month updates of how my hair has grown since that time. I started out being basically bald, and I went for my first hair transplant, and eventually my hair grew quite a bit. I was very glad with that progress, so I went back again to get my crown done, and today 90% of my hair has come back and I'm very, very satisfied. So for those who have been following this channel, you know that I talk a lot about my hair, as well as trying to encourage people to get a hair transplant because it's definitely changed my life and hopefully it will change yours as well. There's a lot of upsides to getting a hair transplant done, and my channel clearly proves that. I hope you guys have been enjoying the content so far. I did take a little small break. I just felt that after my 18-month updates, I had kind of said what I wanted to say on YouTube about what my hair was. I realized that along the way, though, it's inspired so many other people, and a lot of people have reached out to me personally and asking me for more advice and more tips. So I just wanted to come on here and kind of give an update on what's going on with the channel, what's going on with me, where I've been, and what's happening in the future. So to start off, I basically took a small little break in December. I live in London at the moment, so I wanted to get away from the winter cold. So I ended up flying off to Dubai for a little bit, where I just had the best time possible. Dubai is a great city. If you ever have a chance to check it out, do check it out. After that, I decided to go to Singapore for a little bit, and then finally to Bali as well. And if you've been following my Instagram, you know recently I went off to Iceland. That was not really getting away from the cold, but that was just an experience on its own. If you ever have a chance, definitely do check Iceland out. It will change your perspective on a lot of things in life. You know, I think it's really important for everyone to just take a break and refresh from what they're doing. Content creation is not an easy feat, although it seems like it. There's a lot of planning, a lot of filming, a lot of making sure the content is factual as well, and all these little things go into play. So it was burning me out a little bit, especially with my full-time job that I have, and things were just picking up. So it was getting a little hectic for me. So I decided to take a small little break and step back from it. So yeah, I just wanted to take a little break and just enjoy my hair for myself for a little bit and travel around the world and be more confident about where I was going without worrying about anything on my scalp. It's been such a transformative experience going through the hair transplants and living life after. And it's just helped me a lot as a person grow as well, and not to be so shy or so scared about what anybody else thinks about my hair. Despite all of this, I still always have my YouTube family at the back of my mind and try to find ways to improve not just things for myself, but also for you guys as well. So I've been planning a couple of behind the scenes things, which I will be sharing with you now. So the first thing that I've been planning is a little change to the content of the channel. One new introduction of a series that I'm planning to start. I'm going to be having stories with you guys about your hair transplants or about your hair loss stories. I know hair loss is a very sensitive topic, and by all means, if you're not interested in doing it, it's totally fine. But if you are interested in having a conversation with me and just being able to share that story together and understanding what made you want to get a hair transplant versus what made you not want to, or whether you've gotten a great hair transplant success story that you want to share, or the way you got it done based off the clinic you went to, or even if you've had a very negative experience, but it's still important to share with people so they know what to avoid. That sounds like you. I would love to have a conversation and be able to showcase that on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in that, I'll be setting up an interview style format whereby we'll have that conversation together. It'll be recorded. And of course, I'll only post things that you are also comfortable with online. So if you're interested, there's a link in the description below. Sign up with your details, and if it is a good fit for the channel, I'll definitely reach out to you and we'll try to get something going. The next thing that is coming up on the channel is a lot of more educational content. Now, I've been doing a lot more research about a hair transplant, about hair loss even, and just trying to understand what it is that people are looking for. I personally wish I had a channel like mine back in the day because I didn't know where to go to, especially about a hair transplant. So I'm going to be providing much more information about a hair transplant, about going to Turkey, about even getting it done locally, about what aftercare to take, what aftercare to avoid, how to make sure your hair is actually growing over time. So all these things are going to be added into my long schedule of uploads that are coming up. So definitely stay subscribed for that if you haven't already. But a lot more is coming, and I promise you it'll all be beneficial to you. Along with the educational content, I am also going to be providing educational material. So I'm currently working on an ebook of a hair transplant, of the procedure, of the two do's and don'ts, the full what to expect after a hair transplant, pre-op and post-op. So I've got a couple of ebooks that I'm finishing up, and some of these will be available for free to download. There will be a few in the future that will be a paid ebook, but as of right now, I want to give you guys the free stuff because I think that's most important for everybody. I will be posting those very soon, so do stay tuned as well. I'll be setting up those links all over my Instagram, my TikTok, and as well as my YouTube. So just make sure you hit those bell notifications and stay subscribed when I upload these videos and upload these free downloads. They will all be available very, very soon. And lastly, one of the most exciting things that is coming out for me, at least for you guys, is that I have decided to start my own brand. I've started a new hair care brand called Postgrafts. I'm very excited about this. I'm trying to focus a lot on making sure those who have had hair transplants or are experiencing hair loss get the right aftercare after they've done it. Me specifically, throughout the years, I've been using so many different types of products that I've never felt very comfortable using different things from different places. So I decided to figure out a plan that works for me, and hopefully it works for you as well. So I'm starting off small, but I believe the first and most important thing on anyone after a hair transplant, or even if they're losing hair, is using minoxidil on their scalp. So I went and created my own blend of minoxidil that I believe is the best possible formulation out there at the present moment. I'm really proud of what I've created. It's been a long time coming. I've been in talks with pharmaceuticals and the right people to make sure that this product is safe to use and as well as very effective. I've been holding trials along with some people, and I've seen their results and growth, and I can only feel more confident about sharing it to the world. I personally have also been using this. I've kind of switched over from the other products that I've been using, and I've been committing to what I currently create, and it's been game changing for me as well. You can still see my hair is super thick and I'm loving it. There is no reason for me not to continue using what I am currently using, which is my amazing Postgrafts product. Now, along with this, I am also going to have a scalp massager that comes together with this product because a scalp massager also helps with blood circulation, which in turn also works very well together with the minoxidil to help your hair grow even more and faster. So look out for that. I'm in the middle of finishing up my website, and once the product is good to go, you guys will be the first to be informed. And if you're interested, definitely do consider purchasing and picking up some and help support the channel that way as well. It's not just physical products that I want to be getting to you guys. It's also much more than that. I'm trying to build a whole ecosystem to make sure that everyone out there who's had a hair transplant has the right materials and the right products to be using in order to get the best possible results. I'm also working on an app at the moment to help people track their progress throughout the year. I know I did that on my own. I took photos all the time and it was so difficult to keep track of it. So I'm trying to build an app that basically lets you snap your photos at every single month and you can visually see that difference as the months go by. The same thing goes for an aftercare routine. If you're late on taking a finesse shred or late on using minoxidil, these things will help over time. So be on the lookout for that. One more thing I forgot to add was actually one of the most important things that I think is for people who need help in just having a conversation about their hair is that you can have a one-on-one hair transplant consultations with me. I'm happy to have a conversation with you, spend 30 minutes to an hour, and we just talk about how we can get you back at the level of confidence that you need to be at, plus all about a hair transplant, whether you want to get one and you need some help on choosing the right clinic, or whether you've already gotten one and you just need some assistance on what to apply on your head or what products to use. So definitely do consider signing up or booking some time with me. There's a link in the description below. Hopefully we can start having that conversation. One final thing I forgot to add was that if you're interested in going to the clinic that I went to as well, I have a link in the description of the clinic that I went to. I'm trying to work on getting you guys better discounts for the clinic that I went to at least, as well as just trying to make it a better experience for you if and when you go. Again, if you have any comments or any questions about any of the stuff that I went through, leave it in the comment section below and I'm happy to reply whenever I can. So yeah, that is all the exciting updates that are coming up. I hope you guys are still enjoying the content that's coming up, and I hope that what is to come excites you as well as much as it does to me. So as always, do consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and follow me on all the socials as well. And I'll see you guys very, very soon. Peace.